Hello everyone, teacher Abraham here, and you are there, obviously, and I hope you are doing well. Okay, let's start with the class today. And today we are going to talk about comparatives, as and done, alright? So first of all, we need something. We need adjectives, alright? And what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe a person, an animal, something, a place. Okay, and here I have some examples: beautiful, big, happy, brave, handsome, a handsome boy, lazy, a lazy, I don't know, a lazy student or a lazy worker. You don't want to work, you don't want to do your homework maybe, and you're lazy. Okay, little or little, scary, scary movie. Proud, I'm proud of you. You did your best. Okay, nice, kind. So these are just some examples, all right? Some examples of adjectives. And obviously, there are a lot more that you can use. And here, in this topic, we are going to use a lot of them, all right? So let's move on. One more, clean. Yes, let's move on. So we are going to start with as, and the negative as not as. All right, and these ones we use them for equal attributes. Let's see an example, okay, to have it more clear. This one: Jeremy is as brave as his uncle. Okay, so Jeremy is equal as his uncle in what way? They both are brave. Brave. Okay. So brave is the adjectives. Okay. Another example. Marjorie and Susan are as kind as you are. Teacher, what's the meaning of kind? Nice, a good person, a nice person, just kind. So Marjorie and Susan are as kind as you are. So these girls and you both have the same attributes. What is the attribute? What is the adjective? You both are kind. All right, another one. The parade was as interesting as the concert. Both were interesting. So the parade was as interesting as the concert. Equal attribute. Remember that. More examples here. Now, what about this one? Yesterday you were so hilarious, but not as hilarious as Jim Carrey. Teacher, what's the meaning of hilarious? Funny. A lot, extremely funny. Extremely funny. All right. Another one. That laptop is not as huge as yours. Okay, so that laptop is not as huge as yours. You are comparing the attribute. And what is the attribute? The huge. If one is huge, then the other. All right, so that laptop is not as huge as yours. One more example. Now this is a question. Are you as lazy as a bear? Are you as lazy as a bear? So you and the bear both are lazy. I don't know, maybe. All right, so there we use as or as not as. All right, let's move on with the next one. Now, when we use than, we use than to compare people, things, or places. All right, two people, two things, or two places. All right. Let's see an example here. The new restaurant is bigger than the old restaurant. So we are comparing two things. In this case, restaurant. Okay. The new restaurant is bigger than the old restaurant. Pay attention there. Bigger than, all right? Another one. The new waiters are more professional than the old waiters. Another one. This ticket is less expensive than hers. Okay, so we use than to compare. First goes the adjective and then than. Adjective, than. The adjective and than. All right? Remember, we use than when we want to compare people, things, or places. Two people, two things, or two places. Now we have one more thing here. Spelling rules. Spelling rules, all right? Spelling, the way you write. So, for this comparative adjective, we have with one syllable, two syllables, and three syllables. All right? Let's go. One syllable. Adjective plus Tall is just one syllable. Tall, only one. Taller. Okay, taller. That's it. We have to add to the adjective. We have to add taller. Taller than. I am taller than you, maybe. I don't know. Or your older brother is taller than you. Like that. Now, two syllables ending in Y. The Y changed to I plus the For example, happy. Happy has two syllables. Happy. Happy. But it finishes in Y. We have to change it to I plus the Happier. Okay, no Y anymore. Now it's the I. Happier. Okay. Oh, I don't know, maybe dogs are happier than the, I don't know, lizards, maybe. All right. The other one, two syllables, not ending in Y. We have to add more plus adjective. For example, famous, we have to add more famous, two syllables, more famous. All right. Now, what about three or more syllables? When we find or when we write an adjective and we want to compare, if that adjective has more than two syllables, for example here, beautiful, beautiful, three syllables, we have always to add more beautiful. All right. So these are the spelling rules. Obviously these rules are going to be on your worksheet. So for that, don't forget to download the worksheet and paste it. Alright guys, so that's all for today. Thanks, have a brilliant day. Bye bye.